From this video we will know what's new in the new version of Tesla SCADA 2, version 57. In this version we added a huge number of graphical objects based on SVG Vector Graphical images. You can find them by clicking Add New Object on the toolbar, or by right-clicking on the canvas and choosing New Object menu item. You can find them under SVG folder in libraries. In many libraries we added architectural, blowers, boilers, buttons and switches, buildings, chemical, and many others. You can find them here. All graphical objects based on these SVG objects have the same properties like other visibility, motion, rotation, flash. Also, they all have control functions that lets you use them like a button. For example, toggle, set, reset, wipe, call screen, and all the functions that have button graphical objects. Also, the sum of objects has property fill that can have possibility to change fill color based on static or based on the tag by using fill color property tab, depending on the tag. For example, this object based on the tag PAM4 change color from green to red. Also, we had possibility to copy properties from one graphical object to other. It copy all properties excluding general. So example, control, fill color, and other. To do this you have to right click on the graphical object, choose copy properties menu item, and paste properties to the other graphical object. And all graphical properties of the object excluding general are placed on this graphical object. So we create some example project based on the new graphical objects, and you can see how it works. Also, this graphical object is possible to use on Android and iOS versions. You can see this in the windows below. You can see it has the same same looking, excluding maybe on iOS. On iOS, looking is have changes property, fill property. Also, it's possible to use on the cloud. For example, we set up cloud, our cloud account, run it in Tesla SCADA 2 runtime, and now you can see the same graphical objects on the cloud versions. You can change, but it has some delay before the graphical object is uploaded when changed. When many graphical objects it looks with some delays. It's displayed graphical with some delays, but it looks like desktop version of Tesla SCADA 2 runtime. So that's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum or below this video. Thanks for watching.